Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you something really cool. Did you know you can actually create your own character for animation and stuff, just like the pros? And guess what? We are doing it all for free. There are lots and lots of fancy tools out in the market that cost a pretty penny, but we are keeping it real and budget friendly with something called Styler AI. This awesome AI thing let you make all kind of characters from realistic to cartoonish without breaking your bank. Seriously, you get 200 credits a day and it barely takes anything to make a character. Before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe me and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss my new tools in the future. Link in the description. You can just use that link to go onto the Styler AI website. Once you went, just click on start for free. Then you can log in here using your Google account or with your email address. Once you logged into the Styler AI, then it will ask some welcome questions like who are you and what generally are work for and have you heard this Styler AI tool. So let me give I am a hobbyist of generative AI and I generally work for YouTube, so I'll give others an YouTube. And how I heard this tool is I'll give YouTube. Since you are watching this video, you can also give it as YouTube. Once all this setup is done, you will head over to the style library. There are lots and lots of designs starting from realistic to paper craft in cartoonish and everything. It has many designs you can make using it. For example, you can use it cartoon 3D characters and also the innocent cutie Jimmy 3D cartoon characters and cute exaggerations. And you can also get all sort of your animation character consistently using the Styler AI. And first thing you have to describe about the character, like how you want to the character looks, and for example, what type of color you want, and you can also add the render delicate and also the texture you want like soft or hard. You can also give the suitable animated character designs and capture that with a fantasy world. You can also balance the caricature with a friendly and engaging idol for a proper audience. So you have to give all these things in your prompt. Let's create a new character. Now I have given you the idea how to give the prompt, and now let's try that in the real. So let's click on the text to image here. We can choose the style what we want. I will choose the Qt 3D. I'm going to create an animation character, so I selected this Qt 3D. So let me give the prompt as generated cartoonish character, image with adorable features. I can also add something how the character should looks and how the output I want. So for that I'll give the bright color and vivid tones that adds the visual appeal to the character. And then I will represent the texture of the character. For that I'll give the render a small girl character with wavy blondie hair with delicate and soft texture, and then you can give the style intensity if you want, and even you can give the negative prompt to avoid the errors, what you want and what you don't want to see in the image. As of now, I'm not giving any negative prompt, so I just stylerize it. So let's see how the image being generated. It will take some times. Meanwhile, you can see you have 200 points. Using this, you can get more images and animated character as much as you want. It just take a few points to generate a few images, so you can use it for free. Meanwhile, the image has been generated. Wow, this image is fabulous. You can see four types of version of images. If I click on the version, it will generate image again using the generated image and the prompt existing. If you see the result, it has cute girl in a plain background, but the girl has extremely different kind of dresses and a plain background. And then what something the background with full of toys, and it looks like a play school and a girl with toys in her background, and it's really cool, right? So you can select the image and you can place it in the canvas and you can download it from here. Even you can remove the object or background, and even you can change the selective object or area, and you can make changes using in this tool itself. And you don't want any paid or costly softwares to remove background or any subject from the images. You can use this styler AI for free. You can also use this in your animation story, and you can download this image also. And why not we can create another image and see how this tool works. I tried before Qt 3D. Now I going to use this cute exaggeration style. To see how does this animation character look. So this I will give the same prompt and let's see how this generate the image. Image generated, and it looks like a small girl with cute exaggeration, right? In the different costumes in different colors over the plain background. Standing position. Actually, you can use this character in creating any animation story or cartoon. If some kids see this animation, they would really go back psych and started to love this animation characters. And here also you can download this and you can also remove the background, and any objects you want to remove it, you can do it here. And I'll create some other characters too using different style. We just saw the cutie 3D and cute exaggeration style. I'll use this cutie 3D with different prompt with different background. So here I'll give some prompt like a small boy running in a street with exaggerated expression and with joy and energy. I have given this prompt now. Let's stylize this. It will take some time, so let's wait for it. Wow, it generated an amazing animation character that a perfect boy, and it has the best quality, and you can see this the quality and the background. It looks so wow. And you can use this in different variations, and you can use this seed for generating more images and how the background is generated. Let's see one more example using this prompt. So I'll give the same prompt, but I'll give with some changes. For example, a small girl running in a beach with exaggerated expression and with joy and energy. Like the same prompt, I have changed the gender from boy to girl, and instead of street, I have given beaches. So let's see how it will get generated. Let's wait and see. Wow, even this is so amazing and so animated, and the quality of the image really looks like a pro factor. And that's all I can say. You can use this for your animation story creation, and mainly this tool is really super cool, and it's generating a super animated character that feels amazing. I think you all use this generated images that are wow. And if you want to know more about tools like this, then leave a comment in a comment section so that I can make more videos like this about this amazing tools and I can share with you. I hope you all love this video and you will use the styler AI to create your next animated story. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye.